Morning. Good morning. A very good morning to my dear student. Today we are having some division tests. For this test paper, you may download later from our Facebook. And if you need a full range of the notes and exercise, you may always look to the different colorful notes. This is Mr. Henry Clement. Welcome back. So today we are having our first test, a revision test. So I prepared for you so that to review for the past few chapters. So I hope that you enjoy this test. Allow me to share my contents. Okay, this is our Science Revision 1. Can you see the screen? Yes. This is our Revision 1, Year 8, Week 6. Okay, so this is for the Science Year 8. So today's date is so nice, right? 22222, okay? Which is 22nd of February of the year 2022. The question number 1. What is germination? Germination is, I have a small picture for you from the seeds that and grow out to become a small plant, right? So we call it a germination, the first leaf and the first root of coming out. So can you find the answer? The A will be the development of seeds into young plants. B, the process by which the plant grows in size. C, changes in the whole organism in terms of organization and function. A, B, and C. Okay, which one will be your answer? This is so easy, right? You may say, oh, Mr. Henry Clements, you have given the picture on the side. So my choice will be A. Yes, A should be your answer. A should be your answer. Okay. Second one. Which of the following is a true statement about plant growth? So, to this question, we need to find a true statement. That means you need to find something which is true, okay? So, this is a positive way of answering. You need to answer it positively, okay? So, plants cannot grow without warmth. That means that without warmth, without any that higher temperature, the plant cannot grow. Okay, now is the spring, winter to springtime, right? These seasons, okay? So the plant needs some temperature. Okay, the best temperature for the plant to grow, I think, is around 15 to 20. So when the ice start to melt, the temperature rise, the enzyme in the plant can work. or at that temperature, and then some plant will start to grow. Okay, so in the winter time, okay, the water is freeze and everything is so cold. Okay, so the plant cannot grow. So I think this should be the answer later. Okay, come, let's have a look with the B. Plants can grow without sunlight energy. Okay, I think we have to do some exercise on these starch plants, which is we left the plant in the dark cabinet. Okay. Okay, and then this plant will use up all the carbohydrate store in the leaf or the roots or the stem. Okay, and then this will become the starch plant, right? So it means that in dark, okay, for example, this is the sunlight is outside. Okay, but the environment inside is dark. So there will be no food, so the plant cannot grow as well. So this one should not be the answer, right? So number 3, the plant can grow without water. I think most of us, we know that if we have a garden and we plant some plants in the garden, if we don't water it, if we do not water it, okay, I think the plant will go dying, right? Okay. And number D, the plant can grow without air. Okay, without air, that means that the air consists of the carbon dioxide, which is needed by the plant for the photosynthesis. Together with water, it will make some glucose and oxygen. So without air, I don't think the plant can grow. Okay, so my answer will be A. Okay, let's go to number 3. What is the product made from the plant during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide gas, water, sunlight energy, and glucose. Okay, allow me to draw the equation for the photosynthesis. Okay, this will be the photosynthesis. Okay, so it will be water, H2O, plus carbon dioxide. And then it needs some chlorophyll, some sunlight first. Chlorophyll, I need sunlight first. Sunlight energy, sunlight energy, and the green color chlorophyll. You produce carbohydrate. Allow me to do this one. This color glucose C6H12O6 plus oxygen again. Oxygen, let me use the blue color again. Okay, okay. This is see. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Come here. 因为我没有玩了，是。Okay, can you hear me? Welcome back for this session. Okay, so just now we stopped around. Okay, let me come back. I think a few questions. I think from the 7th, and then we'll go a little bit fast. Okay, select the food that come from plants source. Okay, we have the oil, the vegetable lettuce, and the bread which is come from the wheat flour. Number 8, a healthy diet should be, yes, healthy. Healthy is not about eating too much on one side and less on the other side, but it's a balance. It means that you need to have carbohydrate for energy, you need protein, you need oil and fat. You also need minerals and vitamins. Okay, you need to have a balanced diet. And the next one will be every this nutrient you need to have sufficient. This means to the amount. The first one may be the balance may be point to the quality of the food, and the sufficient will point towards the quantity of the food. Okay, welcome back. This is Mr. Henry Clements. We shall continue with number 9 first. So we should eat more of this food group. Okay, the answer is a bread, pasta, and cereal, which provide you a lot with the energy, carbohydrate. As this is the base of the pyramid, here, somewhere around here, right? And we should take less fat, oil, and sweets, okay, as they are higher up in the pyramid. Number 10, the fruit and vegetable provide us with some energy, okay? Vitamins, fat, or oil, we know that the vitamins are important, and the fruit and vegetable contains a lot of the vitamins, okay? So this will be the answer. Number 11, the bread, cereal, and pasta provide us with energy. Yeah, this is the answer. Just now we have chosen, okay? And the pasta, this is from all the carbohydrate. Number 12, I think just now we stopped somewhere around here, right? Which of this is not a function of the digestive system? Okay, so for the digestion, we start from the mouth, and then we need to break down the food to absorb the nutrient. Okay, this is the nutrient which is in the simple form, simple molecule, okay, such as amino acid, fatty acid, and glucose. Okay, to eliminate the waste, which is an ejection, and take oxygen into the body is not. This is the breathing in. Number 13, I think just now we stopped here. What does lipase subject? Lipase, ASE, it means that an enzyme, okay? An enzyme, okay? So the enzyme to digest the LIP, the lips. So the answer will be lipids. Lipid is a fat and oil. Okay. So we have a lot of the many type of enzyme. Okay. And then if we see this one, protease. Okay, ASE, it means that this is an enzyme. The pro means protein. Okay. It's quite easy, right? So we may have see this word maltase. ASE. Okay, so the mal is for maltose. Okay, so this is quite easy, right? If you know these prefixes and suffixes, okay. What are the lipids broke down into? Okay, lipids broke this into the fatty acid because the lipid is fat, so it's a fatty acid here. So amino acid is not. This is for protein. Simple sugar, the glucose is from the carbohydrate, such as starch. Okay, number 15. Number 15. What does protease? Yes, protease. Just now I showed you this pro, so the answer should be protein. Protein. Number 16. What does amylase break down? Yes, this is nothing. We have the 3 saliva glands in our mouth. This is the mouth. Okay, so this is produce a lot of saliva which contain a lot of amylase. This amylase is for carbohydrate. It's for starch. Sorry, for starch. Okay, starch into maltose. Okay, so amylase is for the starch into the maltose. Number 17. What are the carbohydrate breakdown into? Okay, carbohydrate breakdown into the simple sugar. Okay. So the last question, I think I just get this from some resource. Okay. Label the organ of the digestive system. I think you know this is mouth. And then you have the esophagus. Yeah. Oh. Let's start from mouth. And then you have esophagus. And then we have this liver. We have the stomach. We have the small intestine. And then we have the large intestine. Write the name of this organ. I think you know this one. This one is the large intestine. This one is the stomach. This is the small intestine. This is the mouth. And this is the esophagus. Okay, so this is Mr. Henry Clement. Okay, we have more notes from different colorful notes. Okay, this is available in our Facebook account. Okay, so okay, this exercise today. Okay, our outlook is assigned into our